Suppose a cycle race is going on, and for that cycle race you have to drive a cycle from a certain point to certain point, okay, for getting a reward of 10,000 rupees. Advertisement is made in a newspaper that person has to come, register his name and then enter into a competition. So competition was going on and some person entered into a competition. He was going somewhere. So accidentally he covered the distance of that race from entry point to the exit point, and then he claimed the award money. In this case, he is not liable to get that award money because offer was there, but it was not accepted by the other party by fulfilling the conditions which are required for a necessary offer. In this case, offer was not communicated to a person who is claiming for the reward, and same thing happened in present case. Third important case law in law of contract is Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. This is after independence case. Hey everyone, welcome to Law Simple and Pure. Let us learn this case law today. In introduction, what will you write? In introduction, write it like this. As per the Indian Contract Act, for every valid contract, certain conditions are required. Okay, valid offer and acceptance of that offer by the other party is must for a valid contract. Okay, facts of the case. In this case, Lalman Shukla is plaintiff and Gauri Dutt is a defendant. Nephew of Mrs. Gauri Dutt was lost. Okay, he had gone out of the house. Then Gauri Dutt called her servant Lalman Shukla that go out and find out my nephew. So Lalman Shukla went out to find out the nephew. Meanwhile, Gauri Dutt put an advertisement that whoever finds my nephew will get a reward money from me. After some time, Lalman Shukla comes back with her nephew, and then he realizes that there was an offer made by Gauri Dutt, so he goes to a court of law claiming that award money. So law points involved over here are whether there was a valid offer made by Gauri Dutt and whether there was a valid acceptance on the part of Lalman Shukla. So law point is whether there was an offer which was communicated to the other party. In the judgment, Justice Banerjee held that in the present case, that award was declared after the servant or Lalman Shukla went to find out the nephew. So he had no idea about the offer. Okay, so offer was made to world at large, but it was not accepted by Lalman Shukla because he had no idea about the offer. Okay, and that he found out the nephew. So in this case, that offer was not communicated to the other party, and that's why this is not a valid contract, and Gauri Dutt is under no obligation to pay Lalman Shukla the award money. And then conclude that for every valid contract, we need a valid offer which should be accepted by the other party. That offer must be communicated to the other party. In this case, offer is there but it is not communicated to the other party, and hence Lalman Shukla cannot get the award money. That's it about today's lecture. So please make sure if there is a question or there is a short note on these case law, please follow this pattern for getting more marks. That's it for the day. Stay tuned till my next lecture. Goodbye and good luck.